Hello everybody, this is Pei-Xin Xie, and today I will be talking about flipped classroom and discuss its different from traditional learning. Traditionally, students listen to lecture in class and read textbooks and do homework at home. In flipped classroom, students would first study the topic by themselves, mainly using video lessons on YouTube, and then apply the knowledge by solving problems in class. According to our assigned readings, SciPy Elementary sets a great example in how they use the flipped classroom structure, in which students learn concepts outside the classroom. This leaves students more time to practice with teachers in class. The result came out to be positive, due to an increase in collaboration. Teachers can see big improvements on their students' performance. Studies show flipped classroom generate increased learning gain over the traditional lecture model. Because of this, teachers are trained to create lesson videos and online resources. Now, students can watch the video on their own time, as many times as they want, to understand the materials. Moving on to our assigned video, which talks about this high school where over half of the 9th graders fail in math, science, and English. Similarly to our assigned readings, teachers use the flipped classroom method by recording lecture beforehand and have students watch it outside of class. As students meet in the classroom, they would collaborate and work through their homework assignment together in class. I really agree with the points that were made in our assigned reading and video. We now live in a world where everything is based on technology. I believe we should take advantage and use all the resources that's available to us to help improve with our studies. After learning about what a flipped classroom is, I think it's the new way of learning material, because students can study and learn on their own time without having to worry about the fact that they may or did not understand a lecture by their teachers. Although flipped classrooms can be effective to a lot of students, in my opinion, I feel like we can combine both traditional teaching and flipped classroom together, because there may be students who prefer going over materials with teachers in class rather than studying by their own.